Hello everyone, very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So today in this video, you are going to exploring more than 100 plus trending, very stylish and amazing crochet made jewelry styles for women. So the video is focusing on earring styles and necklace styles. Different and amazing and unique ideas for you today I have collected in this video. Those women, those girls who love to wear handmade style dresses, who love to wear handmade products, who love to wear and carries crochet made jewelry styles, necklace styles, earring styles. So this video is really going to be helpful and useful for you. Different styles and different ideas of jewelry you will be find out in this video with handmade products. I hope so you will love these styles and you will love these designs of crochet made earring styles and necklace style designs. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. Very beautiful collection and very beautiful designs are coming up next in this video. It's more than 100 plus design ideas. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles of jewelry, crochet made, handmade styles, so please dear ladies and girls, do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of handmade crochet made jewelry styles, necklace styles, earring designs. Which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I really tried my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Whatever you want to say, whatever you want to watch on my channel, please tell me in the comment section. I hope so you will love these designs, you will love these styles. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. And please don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you.